Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change the order of song on a Spotify playlist. And I said on, but you need to be the creator of the Spotify playlist. So what I'm going to do is at the right side of my screen, it's going to show me the Spotify playlist. So the Kevin's music, this is basically the Spotify playlist which I created. So I'm going to click on it and it shows me all of the music which is inside the Spotify playlist. So if I want to change the order, what I can do is click on custom order and I can set it via title, which means it's going to set according to the alphabetical title. I can change it to artist or I can change it to duration, album and something like that. So you can use these options to change your Spotify's order. But if you want to choose the songs customly, like let's say I want this song to be at the top and this song to be at the second. For that to happen, what I need to do is over here, I need to choose custom order. Once I choose custom order, I can just change it. So I'm going to drag this to the top and this is going to be the first song. I'm going to drag this to the top and this is going to be the second song. So just like this. But make sure it's on custom order, otherwise you cannot drag song. So I hope you understand how we guys can change song on your playlist according to your custom order. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.